Hello everyone, welcome to part 110 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the shopping cart, and in this video we are going to show the user card items in shopping cart. Okay, I am also right, like we are going to show the user card items in the shopping cart page. Okay, so, like I have told you in the last video that this shopping cart HTML page we have converted to Laravel Blade, and we can able to see this one. This page is now in our Laravel website. Now, every time when the user adds the product and will go to the cart, then he can able to see the products here. Okay, so we are going to show the card items with image details, prices, and other things in this video. Okay, after that we are going to work on other things like update items quantity via ajax, delete card item via ajax, update card count via ajax, mini card integration, and apply coupon code. Okay, so many things we still need to do for the shopping cart. Okay, so let's start working on this one. And for this, first thing is that I'm going to close the files, earlier files. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to create one function, get card items function we are going to create, and that we are going to create in the card model that we have created few videos back, after creating the cards table. Okay, so here we are going to add function, public static function, get card items. So this function basically will get the card items. Okay, so it can get the card items either by the user id or by the session id. If the user is not logged in, then we are going to maintain in session. Okay, I hope that everyone knows about the php session. Okay, and if the user is logged in, then we are going to maintain, we are going to get from the auth, from the Laravel auth. And I hope that every one of you knows the basic of Laravel. Otherwise, if you don't know about Laravel auth, then please follow my basic series in which I have explained everything. Okay, so if the user is logged in, if the user is logged in, then we are going to check from Laravel auth. Okay, Laravel auth, or simply we will write here check from auth. Okay, check from auth. And the next condition is, if the user is not logged in, if the user is not logged in that case check from session. Okay, so here check from session. Okay, here check from auth. Here the user id will come into play, and here we are going to pick the session id that we have registered in the last video, that we have created in the last video. Okay, so this is the thing. So here, see, for this one we are going to add the condition here, if auth check, if auth check is there, means if the user is logged in, then this one, else then this one. Okay, so this one, this condition will work for this one. Okay, and this condition will work for the else condition. In else we are going to pick from the session id. Okay, I hope that this one is very much clear to you, like this. So now, see, if the user is logged in, then we are going to get the get card items, and we are going to get the card items from the user id. See uh, where user id. Okay, so what is the user id here? Here the user id, I'm going to take one variable, sorry, user id variable I'm going to take here, and we will get the user id from the auth. Okay, we are already having the auth here, so we will get the user id from the auth function, auth. Okay, auth class, we can say the auth object, anything, auth user, we are going to pick from here, auth user. Okay, and in case, and this one, see, we're going to use here. Okay, where user id, dollar user id, and this one we are going to use here get to array to get the complete card items to array. Okay, we are going to convert it to array, so we will get the array like this. But in case of, if the user is not logged in, that case we are going to work on that case, because we still, the user is not logged in, we still need to work on the, on this process. like the user register user login register process. So for that we are required to like do like this. Okay, session id we are going to get from the session id, not the user id. In case the user is not logged in, we will get from the session id. Okay, so here I'm going to write here. Okay, so here I'm going to take another variable user id, and this one we are going to get from the session get user session id. Okay, so in this case we are going to compare from the with the session id. Okay, not the user id, we are going to compare with the session id here like this. Okay, in this case we are going to compare with user id, and in this case we are going to pick from the session id. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. And this get card items we are going to return here, return get card items. Finally we are going to return get card items, and we are going to modify the that card function here in the product controller. We are going to modify this card function, and here we are going to write this here we are going to add this one like get card items. We are going to get card items, and that we are going to get from the that sorry card model get card items. Once again, card items. Okay, that we are going to get, and here I'm going to display it once. Let's see whether we able to get the card items here or not. Here still I think we have not added. So okay, so we am going to add here the use auth here as well. Here I'm going to add here use auth. Also I think we are going to add here the use session as well. Yeah, use session. Now we're going to check once again, and here nothing is coming because we have not added any item to the card. So first we are going to add the item to the card. Here I'm going to open any of the product which is having the sizes. Okay, this product is having the size. I'm going to add it medium, add to card. So the product has been added in card. Okay, product added successfully in card. So I'm going to the card page. Okay, so I'm going here the card page. First of all I'm going to check here that whether it has been added. Yes, it has been added. One more row has been added. Here I'm going to the card like this. Okay, later on we will directly send the user to the card, or the user can click on that card page. Okay, so you can see one item has been added here, so it's working fine. Okay, we have got the item here in the card. Okay, so it's working fine. Now we will move further, and we require here the product details in card. Here we are required to get the product details, image details as well. One relation we are going to add here between the card as well as the product to get the complete information from this product id. Okay, to get the product information, whenever we will fetch the card, we also require the product details. Okay, so for that we are going to add one relation here. Okay, so I'm going to add this relation here straight away. Belongs to relation I'm going to add public function product. So here I'm going to add here return dollar this belongs to, means this card item belongs to this product. Okay, app models product id. And here also I'm going to attach the other relation that we are having with the product, that is the brand as well as the images that we require here. Okay, so these are the relations that we require here. So I'm also going to check here these relations. We can check in the listing or the detail. Okay, here you can see these two relation, brand as well as images, these two are required. So I have added these two here. Okay, so this product relation we are going to add here. Okay, with get card items we are going to add this product relation so that we will get complete information about the product along with the brand as well as the images. And here also we are going to add this product relation that we have just created. Okay, So in this product relation, we will get the complete details of the product along with the brand as well as the images. So once again, I'm going to refresh here and we'll see here whether we are getting the more details of the product. Here you can see that we are getting the complete details of the product that the user added to his cart. Along with that, we have also got the brand as well as the images details as well. You can see we have got the all the images. Okay, so now we can show this one. Now I'm going to update the car.blade.php file that we have created in the last video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this one in the new page. Here I'm going to open it like this. Okay, and so that we can keep checking it along with this one. So now I'm going to remove this I'm going to remove this dd statement. I'm going to just comment it, and also get card items. I'm going to return to the blade file like this, and this one I'm going to use this one in the for each loop. Here I'm going to add the for each loop here, and I'm going to check where I require to add the for each loop. Here it seems to be added the for each loop, so I'm going to remove the unwanted loops. Here just one loop I'm require here. Okay, so here I'm going to add the for each loop. For each, here get card items as $item, and here I'm going to end this one, and for each fine. Okay, so here the images will come. Okay, and after that the product name. So one by one we are going to update everything. Here I'm going to see that we are going to fetch it from the product. After that product name. Okay, so here $item first of all. Here I'm going to edit like $item. After that product. After that product name. I'm going to check first of all that this one is coming or not. Okay, so here I'm going to refresh it and see the product name is coming, red gap t-shirt. I'm going to add one more product so that we can check the loop here, that the loop is working fine or not. Okay, so I'm going to check, I'm going to add here like if this blue t-shirt is having any sizes. It does not have any size, but I require to add few of its sizes as well, so that the images will also come up here. So I'm going to add some images to the blue. So I'm going to open this one and we'll check that which product it is. It is the 16th product. I'm going to add the sizes for this product. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to add here like small size. uh, I'm going to make anything. I'm going to add here like this, and price I will keep an anything. Okay, and stock also, see its price here 500 price, so I'm going to add the 500 price for the small size. Okay, and I'm going to add it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to add one more time. I'm going to add here the medium st01 medium. Okay, now here I'm going to add the 600 price. Okay, here I'm going to add the stock like 20 stock. I'm going to save it. Okay, so that these sizes will come up here. I'm going to check now whether the sizes have come up. Yes, sizes have come up. I'm going to add the medium size, add to cart. Okay, product added successfully in cart. Here this view cart link is required though. Okay, so let's add view card link because that is mandatory, that is required. Product add successfully. I'm going to check product here. I'm going to check, or I am going to search for the add to cart. Here we can see product add successfully in cart. Here we are going to add the link here like view card link. Okay, so here we are required to send the user like this view card Okay, here what I'm going to do, I'm going to empty the card here, empty the table, cards table, and now I'm going to add one more time, and here you can see the view card link is coming, but here the I'm going to add the style as well. Style uh, color must be white, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and also I want one class here, test decoration, it must be underline. Okay, let's see if it will work. Let's see. And now this time I'm going to add the small size, add to cart. Yes, it is working fine. We can click on view card, and yes, it is coming here. Now you can see the two products we have added: Gap blue t-shirt with large size Gap blue t-shirt. Okay, so see, still we need to work on this one, no issue. So I'm going to add another product, red product, also here, so that the three products will come up here, large size of this one. Then I will go to the view card. Here you can see the three products are there. Now I am going to uh, see product name, it is showing Gap blue t-shirt, Gap blue t-shirt, and red Gap t-shirt. Now I will show the correct brand, size, as well as the color as well. Okay, so here I'm going to uh, show the size here. Okay, and size, for size I'm going to check here, and that size is coming here, where it is, product name, product color, here it is, no size, I'm going to check, and images, this one is the cart section ID, here it is product size. Okay, product size is directly here, the product will not come here, we're going to show product size. Okay, yeah, for color we are going to show it like this, product color will come up inside product, here the product color will come. Okay, so yeah, for brand I'm going to copy this once again, and for brand we need to go inside product, then brand. Okay, after product then brand, here you can see the product, inside product brand, and inside brand its brand name. So I'm going to add here the brand name as well. So I'm going to check here whether all these three things will come up correctly or not. Here Gap, all these three products belong to Gap, and size is here, you can check the size is Gap blue t-shirt with medium size, Gap blue t-shirt with small size, and red Gap t-shirt with large size. Okay, so now we are going to show their prices as well as the images as well. First we are going to show the images. Here we are going to show the images, and for images like we have done in the listing blade file, so the same thing we are going to add here. I'm going to open that listing, product listing, that will really help us. Okay, so here, like we are getting this one here, I'm just going to copy this one, and also this URL will work in the same way. So I'm going to add this URL here as well. Here we are required to add, and the product, after that product item ID. Okay, item ID, here I'm going to check here, the item ID is 3, fine. Okay, and after that images. Okay, images, I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here, and along with that we can also copy this one, but we will not copy that, just the image I'm going to copy. I'm going to here first to copy this one, paste this one here like this. Okay, and this one I'm going to remove like this, and class is this one, UI image, this one I'm going to update this class, and I'm going to remove this one, this image I'm going to remove. And now this product, I'm going to update this product with the item. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to complete copy here also, I'm going to copy it like this, and then item. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Now we are going to check it once, like whether the images are coming here or not. Oh no, still it is not coming. I'm going to check dollar item. I'm going to check here what is the path here for the image. After item, then product, then images. Okay, after item, then product. Okay, after item, then product, and after that images will come up. Okay, images, then image. Fine. So here this product will come inside here also, and here also. Okay, now we are going to check once again. Let's hope. Yes, images have come this time. Gap blue t-shirt, Gap blue t-shirt, red Gap t-shirt. So this time images are coming here, and see, you can click here as well to open. But this one, I don't think that this one is correct. Uh, Here we need to open that product ID. Okay, it is inside product ID. So we need to correct this one here. Instead of this one will also come product ID. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh once again, and I hope that this time the product link is correct. I'm going to click on here, Gap blue t-shirt. Yes, this time it is fine. Okay, Gap blue t-shirt, though the image size is not correct, so that's why it is the distorted image. So don't worry about this. You can always put the correct size image. Okay, I don't have the image, so that's why. So here this one I'm going to open this one as well. Red Gap t-shirt, it is opening fine. It is going to the correct page. Here in for the image as well, I'm going to put this link for the image as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and we'll put it for the images as well. Here I'm going to put it here like this, and here I'm going to put it here like this. Okay, so I'm going to refresh. Here I'm going to check here. Yes, it is opening fine. Okay, so now I'm going to open this one, red t-shirt. It is also opening fine. So both the products are opening fine here. Okay, now you can see that we are having the correct images, we are having the correct product names, brands, size, color, and now we are going to show the prices as well. Okay, so for the prices, once again we will check here that how we are getting these prices. Okay, so this is the main final price that we are getting. So this one also we are going to show here. Okay, so the price, for the price we are going to show here, item product price will come. Okay, so the so here this one I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here, but only thing that dollar item will come up here, dollar item, then it will inside the product, then final price will come. Okay, so here we are going to show the final price here. Okay, so you can see the final price 450, 450, and 510. So these final price we are going to show here. So if you want to show the discounter, if you want to show the MRP price, you can also show the MRP price here after deducting. Okay, then the same thing you can show it here as well, but I'm just going to keep here the final price. Okay, so other than this, I think that here the quantity, correct quantity we are going to show. Okay, the value of the quantity we are going to show here, that how much quantity is required. Okay, that also we are going to pick from this quantity, product underscore quantity. Okay, this one. So I'm going to show here the value for the quantity. Okay, here dollar item, then product quantity. Okay, like this. So here we're going to check the quantity as well. Okay, suppose now I will add one product without image with two quantity, like I'm going to add some other product that is having the sizes. So this product does not have size. I'm going to check in products attributes table the product that is having the sizes. Okay, product id 1 is having the size. Okay, so I'm going to open the product id 1. So this one is having, is this one, yeah, it is having the size but not having any image. Okay, I'm going to add the small image, and here you can say you can see the image is coming as the default image, no image is coming. Okay, and here you can check. Okay, so one thing we need to do here, I will add the product with two quantity. Okay, So I'm going to open the another product now, product id with 2. So here small side with 2 quantity, this time add to cart. Now I'm going to check here the quantity, this time two quantity have been added. Okay, so here you can see the price is here, but here the price we are going to show we are going to multiply it by 2. Okay, so here I'm going to check its price here first of all, how much price it is having. Like we are going to open in new tab. Okay, so it's small size, that if I will select the small, it is having the 1000, so it must be into 2. So I'm going to here like product quantity, I'm going to multiply it like its final price into this one, into sorry yeah into this product quantity, so that it will show the subtotal amount. Okay, so it is showing the subtotal here, the 2000 for this one, and other are just one quantity. For the multiple, it will show we are going to multiply it with the quantity. Okay, so that it will show the subtotal of that product. So in the next video we will continue working on this shopping cart page, and we are going to work on this subtotal. We are going to show this subtotal, grand total. Okay, and also we are going to work on the update quantity via jax, and also delete quantity via jax. Okay, so many things we are going to work on this shopping cart functionality. Update item quantity, delete a card item here, update card count here, this one, and mini card also, this one. Okay, so all this functionality we are going to do one by one. So next video we are going to manage this one. So let's wait for the next video. That's all for now, and please join as well as subscribe the channel. So once again I am requesting you that please, this is our channel name, please always subscribe the channel for Laravel updates. Okay, it is free. Okay, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code as well as the support. It will really benefit you, so that you can compare the code at your end. You will get the original code, source code, you will get complete source code, and you can compare it with your code and can solve the issue, and you will also get the complete support as well. Okay, so please subscribe as well as join the channel. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.